Did you know you can transfer money directly from your credit card to Cash App in just few steps? In 2025, managing your finances is all about speed and convenience, and this guide will show you exactly how to do it. Whether you're paying a friend or topping up your Cash App balance, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the step-by-step process and tips to avoid unnecessary fees. Cash App has become one of the most popular payment platforms with millions of users transferring money every day. But here's the exciting part. You can link your credit card to Cash App and use it for payments. Imagine the convenience of accessing funds on your credit card while still using the simplicity of Cash App. Ready to get started? Here's how. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Tap on the bank icon at the bottom to access the banking tab. Here you will see an option to add a credit card. Enter your card details including the number, expiration date, CVV number, and billing zip code. Once you confirm the details, your card is linked and ready to use. Easy, right? Now that your card is connected, let's talk about making payments. Tap the dollar icon to start a new transaction. Enter the amount you want to send and the recipient's cash tag, phone number, or email. Before you hit pay, double check that your credit card is selected as the payment method. Once confirmed, tap pay and you are done. But here's something you need to know. Cash App charges a 3% fee for credit card transaction. For example, sending $100 will cost you an additional $3. While it's convenient, these fees can add up if you're making frequent transactions. To avoid this, consider linking a debit card or bank account instead, as these methods are usually fee-free. Another thing to watch out for is how your credit card issuer processes these transactions. Some categorize them as cash advances, which can result in additional fees and higher interest rates. Always check your credit card's term and contract your issuer to confirm how these payments are classified. Let's talk security. Cash App is designed with strong security measures, but it's always a good idea to enable extra features. Use a PIN or fingerprint authentication for transactions and monitor your credit card statements for any unauthorized charges. Staying proactive is key to protecting your finances. Here's an interesting fact. Cash App now has over 70 million users in the United States alone, making it one of the most trusted peer-to-peer payment platforms. But did you know that as of 2025, it primarily operates within the US? If you're trying to use it internationally, make sure both you and the recipient are in supported regions. If you're worried about fees, there's good news. Cash App allows you to link a bank account or debit card for free transactions. While using a credit card is convenient, planning ahead can help you save on fees in the long run. And here's a tip for maximizing your experience. If you often send money via Cash App, consider budgeting for a 3% fee or switching to alternative funding methods for large transactions. It's all about making smart financial choices. So, can you transfer money from a credit card to Cash App in 2025? Absolutely, and it's incredibly simple. But remember to weigh the convenience against the fees and potential cash advance charges. By following these steps and tips, you can make the most of your Cash App experience while keeping your finances in check. Have you tried transferring money using your credit card on Cash App? Share your experience in the comments below, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on managing your money.